This is Roland Mumford with Mumford.law. I want to do a video about the process of filing an EEOC charge if you have an employment discrimination claim. Many times, every day, I get phone calls from people. They think that their intake questionnaire that they completed and submitted to the EEOC was their EEOC charge, and it's not. So you're an employee or you were terminated. You think you have a discrimination claim. You must file an EEOC charge with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. You have to exhaust your administrative remedies before you file a lawsuit. Now, the way that you can begin doing that, and the way you should do it, is to retain an attorney even before you think you may have a case, because an attorney can help you either get the proof that you need before you get ready to file the charge or help you draft the EEOC charge. If somebody hires me, we can file an EEOC charge through an attorney portal filing process immediately. And all the EEOC charge is literally is putting your name, your address, your phone number, date of birth, then identifying the employer, their address, phone number, whether they have 15 or more employees. And then we put the starting date and the ending date of the discriminatory conduct. And then there's a box of protected classes that'll say race, gender, national origin, veteran status, religion, disability, etc., and retaliation. And you need to mark one of those, or how many ever of those protected classes you think apply to you. So then we type out the narrative into the box below on that page. Then we upload it to the EEOC, and then they send it to you for, in essence, your electronic signature. The other way that many of you are doing without hiring an attorney is that you're going to the EEOC and you're completing that intake questionnaire, which really is a waste of time, but you do have to do it. And then the EEOC puts you into where you have to choose a calendar date for an interview, which could literally be a few months away. In some jurisdictions, they might get to you within a few weeks. The problem with that, though, is like if in Georgia, you have 180 days that you have to file that EEOC charge. That meaning from the day you electronically sign that EEOC charge, you can only complain about facts going back 180 days. In Tennessee or in other states, if there's a work share agreement between the EEOC and some state agency who has they're enforcing a state discriminatory statute, then it's 300 days. So they will give you a calendar date, and you're going to wait months. And what the EEOC does is they rank your claim, and they get to those who have the better claim or whose facts are more time sensitive. Then when they interview you, then they help draft the EEOC charge for you to sign electronically. But months and months can go by. Once that is done, then they send a notice to the employer. Then the employer will file a position statement. Then you would file a rebuttal. You don't have to. The EEOC, then, if they in fact investigate the case, that'll take some time, or they may send it to mediation. You may mediate the case. If you don't mediate, they send it back to the investigation side. To be honest with you, since COVID, the EEOC doesn't really investigate these cases. Then what you're waiting for is your right to sue letter. When you get that right to sue letter, then that is when you can file a federal lawsuit. Thank you.